Hi everyone, my name is Montez Oliver and this is my e-portfolio for this class. I titled mine's Montez Online Learning Journey, and the first part of this assignment was my About Me page, and basically in this page I just went into an introduction of myself. Just gave my year, which is the fourth year. I'm in my fourth year at Howard State, and my major, which is finance, and just the main reason why I took this class. And the main reason why I took this class was just because I think that online learning and learning online is going to be used more in the future. It's going to still remain relevant and everything like that. And I've sometimes struggled in the past with taking an online class, so I thought that this class would help prepare me for any future time where I may be in an online class and help me to be successful in that environment. And the next part of my portfolio, I titled Collecting Learning Technologies, and in this part of my portfolio, I basically gave my the three best tools that I took away from this class. And the first tool that I like from this class, and I plan on using in the future, would be the Study Scheduler app, which was sold. I believe it was in the second week of this class. And the main way that I use this app was just to set out short-term goals and just to be a constant reminder about when things you do, and also when to start assignment and when to start studying for those short-term goals that I do that week. I would use this app to set out those short-term goals that I had upcoming for the week. And then the next tool that I took away from this class will be the Trello website. I basically use Trello the same way that I use the study scheduler app, in which I would use to set out goals and everything like that. But instead of short-term goals, I would typically use it to set out more long-term goals. So things like when to start studying for a final, when to start working on the project and everything like that. So instead of those short-term assignments that would be due within a week, I would use this for those more long-term goals that I had in a semester. And then the last tool that I took away from this website will be the library website here at Ohio State. This tool really just helped me with research topics and everything like that. It really helped me find any book, any article that I need for any specific topic, and help me get the information I would need to write any paper or essay or anything like that. So those are the three main tools that I take away from this class. Would be the Study Scheduler app, Trello, and the library website. And then my last portion for my portfolio will be my summary, which is just be my main three takeaways from this class. And my first takeaway was just to be aware of the resources that are available to me for a class, and also to take advantage of those resources and use them so that I can be successful as much as possible in any class I'm taking. So to take advantage of the office hours that a professor may be offering, and also any other tools that a professor or anyone else may make available to me for a class, to be aware of those resources and to use them. And then another takeaway, I thought one of the main takeaways from this class was just to be organized and to set dates and everything like that, and get constant reminders so that you can be organized and you can stay on track and not be caught off guard with any upcoming assignments and everything like that. So my second takeaway from this class was just to stay organized and to stay on track with any assignments I have upcoming for a class, and when to study and everything like that. And then the last main takeaway that I took away from this class was communication. I think a big part of being successful online is communication with your professor, but not only with them, but also with your classmates and everything like that. Because your professor and your classmates can be a great tool and be successful in the class. You can use them to get help when you may not understand a part of the class. You can use them to how to study for something, or how they started an assignment, and to use them to be successful not only in an in-person environment, but also in an online environment. So that is my e-portfolio and my main three takeaways that I took away from this class. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.